I have a genuine Toyota parts bag in front of me. And what's inside? Let's see what is inside. We got some paperwork. And what else do we have? We have 6 beautiful Denso spark plugs. Here are the spark plugs that were in the bag. What are these for? Well, these came from my Toyota dealership in San Bernardino, California. If you guys are there and need parts, tell them Bundy sent you. You'll get the homie hookup. But what I wanted to show you guys today is these are for the 3.5 liter 2GR-FKS engine. They are iridiums, and the unique thing about them, I would just say weird thing about them, the unique thing about them is they have this 3-prong, I want to say electrode. I could be wrong, but I'll correct that if I am wrong. See right there? 3 prongs. That is the ground electrode right there, the 3 ground electrodes. The one right in the middle is the electrode. The ones out of it or outside of it, surrounding it, are the ground electrodes. So there's a 3 ground electrode. Very unique spark plug. I've not seen this on another vehicle, but this covers a lot of your vehicles with a 3.5 liter 2GR-FKS engine. That particular engine is in your Tacomas, your Siennas, your Highlanders, your Camry hybrids, and your Avalons with that 3.5 liter. But, as you can see right there, Denso FK20HBR8. For those of you who cannot read, it's also a Denso 3491 spark plug. But like I said, this is going to be short, sweet, and to the point. I do have a video coming up where I show you guys how to change this thing out. Change these 6 spark plugs out of the 3.5 without taking the intake manifold off. That will be coming out here shortly. No matter where you buy them from, you do need to check before you install them. Make sure that the porcelain is not cracked right about here from the metal to the porcelain. I have had twice in my lifetime now where I installed spark plugs and it was cracked. The ceramic was cracked right about here, right where it meets the metal. It caused a misfire, and I chased it for a couple days. It was a pain in the butt. So just make sure you go around, check all 6 spark plugs, or however many spark plugs you have. Just make sure that the porcelain is not cracked. But there you guys go. Let's see. I'll put some links down in the description below where you guys can find these at. Dealership, it's about 25 bucks a pop. Rock Auto, you're looking at about $12, around $13 each. Amazon is about $17 each. So, like I said, I'll put some links down in the description below. But if you guys are worried about, counterfeit stuff coming out of China, your best bet, always your best bet, is to go to the dealership. Like I said, if you guys are in the Inland Empire and you have access to San Bernardino, go see those guys there and tell them Bundy sent you. Alright, there you go, guys. Just wanted to share with you what the Toyota 3.5 liter 2GR-FKS engine uses as a spark plug.